शौर्यं तेजो धृतिर्दाक्ष्यम् युद्धे चाप्यपलायनम् दानमीश्वरभावश्च क्षात्रं कर्म स्वभावजम्.
Valor, splendor, firmness, proficiency, not running away from battle, dhanam, generosity, and royalty are the inborn traits of a Kshatriya. Shaurya, it's a wonderful quality that Kshatriyas have. Prowess, gallantry, daring, courage. Teja, Teja, splendor is the vitality, brightness, aristocracy that a king has, for instance. Dhriti, now you know, Teja is something that even a Brahmana has, more in fact. But the Tejas of a Brahmana is subtle. The Tejas of a Kshatriya is more obvious. That's the difference. Dhriti, firmness, consistency, determination, steadfastness in the pursuit of the goal. Once a Kshatriya determines that this is what I will do, he will do it. That's that consistency. And Daksha, proficiency, expert, alert, skilled, quick to respond. You know, in the field of cricket, recently Sehwag played well. There was a foreign commentator who wrote about Sehwag that it is incredible. Sehwag knows what kind of ball is coming even before the ball leaves the bowler's hand. That is the kind of quickness to respond that a Kshatriya has. Yuddha apalayana, not running away from battle, not afraid of death or pain. This is a quality that no other caste has, only a Kshatriya has. So if you have this inborn trait, then you must use it for protection of the country, so on and so forth. Dana, the kings, royalty were large-hearted. You know, large-hearted does not mean just giving generously. What it means is you're not petty-minded. You can't bring yourself to come down below a certain level. Not small-minded and petty. You know, that is the typical nature of a Vaishya. He'll sit counting pennies. He'll ask you, what is the bus fare to here and there? That's the cheap. An aristocrat doesn't have that. He's large-hearted. Ishvara bhava is lordliness. You know, the way a Kshatriya conducts himself, the way he walks, his gait, his behavior, his speech, everything has smacks of lordliness, not arrogance, just a quiet aristocracy. I don't know whether you understand the difference. So this is a Kshatriya, and then the next verse talks about Vaishya and Shudra.